Hey everyone! AGF has two brand new capsule collections to share with you. First on the list is aligned fabrics. Straight lines to diagonals and everything in between, aligned fabrics will soon become a part of your sewing essentials. So, what would you sew with aligned fabrics? Why not bags, blouses, and skirts? Stripes are a basic go-to print that works in so many different sewing projects. Always contemplating on what to make the men in your life? Aligned fabrics is perfect for men's accessories. Try thinking outside the box and incorporating stripes into your quilts. For all of you who need a little help organizing your sewing space, try making these fabric bins for easy functional storage. To see more projects made with aligned fabrics, check out the pages of the lookbook. The link is in the description box below the video. Now it's time to talk about Nest Fabrics. This sweet gender-neutral collection has us awing and oohing and sewing like crazy. Fill baby's nursery with quilts, plushies, and cute onesies. Super cute panel prints that showcases Sir Bear and his furry friends allows you to let your creative side run free. Our knit fabrics are meant to be cuddled with, so make a blanket for the ultimate naptime experience. Teach your kids to always put their toys away in these cute circular bins. Choose your favorite Nest character to make a onesie perfect for your little one. This little guy is staying wild with his cute outfit made with the clever little fox print. So whether you're sewing for boys or girls, Nest Fabrics has got you covered for all your kids' sewing needs. Take a look at the full lookbook to find your next sewing project. Comment below and tell us what you would make with our new capsule collections. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for fun fabric videos, sewing tutorials, and so much more. Love always from the AGF crew.